Hello all, here is a simple program where we have a define where a triple of var function which points to var into var. Okay, so in the main we have a float variable which value is calculated by having 25,000 by triple of 25 plus 25, and then we are printing the value. Now, what is the expected output of this program? So what should happen? 25 plus 25, which is 50, right? So that means 50 into 50 into 50, correct? So if we calculate 50 into 50 into 50, which is nothing but 1,25,000 divided by 250,000, right? Which must give 2. Okay, so the expected output is 2, right? Because we are calling this function, so this actually has a definition here, and as per this definition, we are actually doing 25 plus 25, which is 50, 50, 50. Expected output is 2. Now let us run this. Okay, when we run, you see the output value is 192 and not 2. Come on, how come it be? Right, here is a small catch where what happens is when you call this function triple of 25 plus 25, how it gets calculated is 25 plus, this is how it will be passed. Instead of first var, it will be 25 plus 25 into again 25 plus 25 into again 25 plus 25. So here what happens is, we know the BODMAS rule, right? Where first multiplication happens. So instead of 25 plus 25, what happens is these two get multiplied first, these two get multiplied first, which becomes 25 plus 625 plus 625 plus 25. So if you calculate this, 625 is 1250, right? 625 plus 625 plus 50, okay, which is nothing but 1300. So if you divide 2,50,000 by 1300, you get 192. Okay, so this is the reason why, this is the, when you run this, you see this is the reason why you see 192 here, whereas the actual expected output is 2. Now in order to get the actual value, what we have to do here is we have to have brackets for each and every variable here. Now what happens is, if we see this, so this actually, let us write in the next line, this actually becomes 25 plus 25 in bracket into again 25 plus 25, right? This, right? 25 plus 25 into 25 plus 25 into 25 plus 25. So that's how, because of the bracket. So we can see here it looks very simple, but because of the brackets, so brackets have higher precedence, right? So that's why first brackets get executed, then the multiplication happens. So while having any definitions, ensure that we declare this way. Now after that, once we run here, okay, compile and run, and you can see 2 is now the output, which is the expected output. Okay, so while definition, please ensure that you have brackets around. Even though you are passing a single variable, it is a very good programming practice to have variables like this.